Hey, Greenie here for Greenbox, and in today's video I want to talk with you about what it took to get to this point where my flat now is not an echo chamber anymore. So why don't we start at the beginning of this journey, which was early this year when I got a new flat. This is a sign of life, I guess. Yeah, long time no see, and welcome to my new apartment. I knew about this problem the first moment I walked into my flat, but first I just tried to work against it by adding furniture to my home and try to rearrange my microphones and desks, but that didn't work out that well and it wasn't improved at all. So I then went on the internet and bought 12 or 15 of those sound absorbing panels, which promise to be awesome. So next up I'm going to install 12 of those hexagon foam panels for your walls, which should make the situation much better than right now. It is 1 hour since recording now, and from a total of 8 panels, only 1 is currently on the wall. I honestly consider this adventure a total fail, and I will need professional help. Please help. So I wasted a lot of money on foam, which I'm currently not using. So there's that, and realizing that this would not help, I went to the next extreme, which was doing what I just did. I went onto the internet and I basically bought theater backdrops. Those are basically thin sound blankets you usually use in theater or in video production to absorb light and absorb sound, which is basically the thing I want to do. Because I cannot just hang them onto my walls and onto my ceiling, I also went out and bought some supporting gear, which is currently taking off like half the space of my flat. And here's a quick time lapse of me building it. And I really want to give you a before and after with this entire setup here, and let's record an after real quick, okay? So Rick turned himself into a pickle. Pickle Rick was his name. Rick turned himself into a pickle. Pickle Rick was his name. Rick turned himself into a pickle. Pickle Rick was his name. As you just heard, the difference is day and night. It really is. I really do not want to go back to the old echo chamber, but it also brings me to the next point. Is this a solution I would either recommend or even keep myself? Hell no, definitely not. I lost like all my living space in my flat just for having a couch set which sounds decent for you. I definitely need to find a different solution, because this all can't stay here for eternity. So we need to find a solution here. But I'm glad I found an extreme solution for my situation, which at least works out right now. In the meantime, we can search for a different solution which works a little bit better with getting less space occupied in my flat. And speaking of things that occupy space, why don't we talk about our sponsor, which is me. I paid myself for that stuff. But you can give me your money by going to my website and buying roller coaster pictures, so you get a nice roller coaster pictures in your flat, which doesn't help improving your sound at all, but it helps to improve your looks. and I get some money back to actually be able to finance that stuff which I just built in here. Which, as you see, is kind of ridiculous, but I really like it. And let me know in the comment section below if you want to have a tour about my current situation and how I record in here. And I do not assume you want to build that thing your own, but tell me, do you really want to build something like that your own? Do you really want to have a guide about this? Tell me. I guess I'm down to doing it. So hit me up, and thanks for watching. I'm just happy to have a sound improved set now. Alright, so click the end card, I guess here and here or something. This will be my Q&A video, and this will be a random video. So go ahead, click. Bye.